Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to earn 10% on the Bitcoin arbitrage using the Arbitrage exchange. As you can see, the Bitcoin rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow us to earn profit in just one round. First, we need to replenish our Bitcoin wallet on this exchange. For this, we go to Wallet and click Deposit. Select Bitcoin and click on Show Address. Then copy it and go to Binance. I hope you already know how to buy Bitcoin on Binance, so I'll just show you how to transfer it to Arbitrage. I will deposit 0.2 BT to start, but you can start with any amount. At the time of recording the video, it's over $6,000. After some time, the money was credited to the balance. Now we just have to sell our Bitcoins on this exchange. To do this, go to spot trading. Bitcoin is already selected by default. Now scroll down, enter the entire amount of Bitcoin and click on sell. Great, now we have an amount of 6,700 USDT, which we can withdraw back to Binance. Here she is. To do this, click on Withdraw, choose Tether, and specify the TRC20 network. Then go to Binance and copy our USDT address from there. Now paste the address here, then enter the entire amount, taking into account the fee. And click on Withdraw. Then we wait a few minutes until the money is credited to the Binance. As you can see, in just one round, we earned about $600 with this simple method. Use it and don't forget to subscribe.